Good morning, this is Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand, and it is Sunday morning at 8:09 a.m. on the 11th of March 2018, and this is the visual satellite images page, and I want to show you that I made a video yesterday of Cyclone Hola coming toward New Zealand, and sure enough it's just above the North Island right now, and here is further evidence showing exactly the same patterns that I was showing in that last video. And what we have here is the same angles, the triangular wave there, and then here a square wave, and that was actually on the infrared yesterday, sort of on a wider basis right up in the Pacific. There was that same triangle and triangular wave, and the well, they call it square wave here, right? So that same thing with the square wave right below the triangular wave. And by the way, also on these, when I've seen these patterns, they tend to have had a little bubble just at the top of the triangle often, and we have it here, just that little kind of hang on. Okay, now we also see more of the square wave here and more of the triangle. I would assume that's a triangular wave there, right? But definitely we've got it here as well. So, and then there's a little bit of a curve there. So yeah, anyway, that's what's showing up, and that was 9 a.m. on Saturday morning, right? Now, taking this through, yeah, by the way, here is further evidence on this, is that as the time progresses from 9, we had on 9, didn't we? Okay, so 9, 10, and you can see the cloud changing in the sky, but pretty much that same shape here, sort of staying there, right? You can still see the square wave there, and that's at 1 o'clock. And there's another one here. There's you know, more of this, whether it's a triangular or whether it's a square wave kind of being played over the area, but definitely what this tells me is that they are, there's nothing more there. Now I'll just go to this one. What that shows to me is that they are definitely aiming this for central New Zealand, central North Island. Here's the Hola, and here it is coming down. So you're not seeing, I'm not seeing so much of this, of the waves being used on this tail here. Certainly showed up on that central New Zealand, on the visible images. So, and you can see it's actually going to come right down, and quite likely they'll turn it into New Zealand, somewhere probably right in here, and Gisborne is going to get a hammering, I would say. All around there, Gisborne, Coromandel, that whole area. If you're living in Wairoa, I would say, you know, look at your weather and so forth, but certainly be alert at what's going on, because it's coming down. Yep, that's pretty much it. It's just I make these updates to sort of document what's going on, so we can look back and go, yeah, that's what we saw. Yeah, simple. That's why I'm keeping these posted and keep making these videos. Okay, this is Nigel at Spiritual Awareness New Zealand. Check me out.